Start your registration process by opening the Portfolio by OpenRoad mobile app. Tap the sign up button and submit your postal code. This will verify that you live in the service area and are eligible for the program. Once you're in, submit your mobile phone number and email address. This is what we'll be using to contact you. We'll confirm your number and you'll be able to move forward with your registration. After your contact has been confirmed, you'll create a password for your account and be prompted to upload a photo and scan of your driver's license. After your license has been scanned, we will ask to confirm your identity by taking a selfie. This will match and ensure that you are the person whose license you're uploading. Once your identity has been confirmed, you'll move forward to selecting your tier. Once your tier has been selected, you'll be inputting your credit card information, which we'll be taking payment from on a monthly term. Select your plan and agree to our subscription agreements, and you're all set. Submit your application and your vehicle will be on its way.